welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Aston Martin DB12, a luxury grand tourer that perfectly combines breathtaking performance with handcrafted British elegance. Starting with the exterior, the DB12 features a larger signature Aston Martin grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, sculpted body lines, and a muscular rear design. Every curve has been carefully engineered to improve both aerodynamics and visual appeal, giving the car a bold yet sophisticated presence on the road. Under the hood, the Aston Martin DB12 is powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 671 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. Power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission to the rear wheels, providing smooth acceleration and an engaging driving experience. Performance is truly impressive. The DB12 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.6 seconds, and has a top speed of 202 miles per hour or 325 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its advanced suspension, electronic differential, and adaptive dampers, the car offers exceptional stability, precise handling, and outstanding cornering performance. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that showcases true craftsmanship. The interior is wrapped in premium hand-stitched leather with soft touch materials, elegant metal accents, and a modern driver-focused layout. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, making long journeys just as enjoyable as spirited drives. The dashboard features a 10.25-inch digital touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while the premium Bowers & Wilkins audio system delivers an immersive sound experience throughout the cabin. In terms of safety and technology, the DB12 comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, parking cameras, and multiple driver assistance features, making every drive safer and more convenient. The Aston Martin DB12 is more than just a high-performance sports car. It delivers the perfect balance of luxury, speed, advanced technology, and everyday comfort, making it one of the finest grand tourers available today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing supercar content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.